The best way to start with the Sabre Red SDK is the documentation itself. You can find it under developer.sabre.com. Then you go to the product catalog, and under product type you can find SDK Sabre Red 360. And then on the only note that will pop up, you will see the main page of the documentation. In here you can see 4 tabs: Description, Help, Getting Started, and Resources. Description tab is pretty much the general overview of the product. The next one are far more interesting for you as a future Red App developer. Help contains the whole documentation itself. Here you can find description of each and every functionality within the SDK itself. Getting Started contains a link to the necessary software that you will need to start working with the SDK, and some general overview of the SDK ecosystem itself that we'll cover in this course as well. Last one, Resources. In here you can find the SDK packages and some additional links like for the Eclipse, JDK, and so on. You can see 4 packages. The first difference is the operating system, so the default one, the ones without the suffix, are for Windows, and ones containing the Mac OS are for the Mac ecosystem. Moving on, we have Sabre Red 360 SDK. The last number is the version, so currently 22.2, and Sabre Red Web SDK. Sabre Red 360 SDK contains the libraries for both web environment and the desktop client. The Sabre Red Web SDK is lightweight one that contains only things necessary to start developing Red apps that will be used in the Sabre Red Web client. At this time, the current development of the SDK focuses mainly on the web part. So during this certification program, we'll use the Web SDK.